Buganda Kingdom. So what remains is 5.2 trillion, and out of that we have provided in this budget 1.4. That brings it to about 3.8, which we shall pay in the next 3 years, assuming we are providing 1.4. Assuming we keep 1.4 in the base, that will take us 3 years to settle all the arrears. We are providing 38.5 billion, and we shall spread this in 4 financial years. What we can manage is 38, and in the subsequent years we will see as the resource envelope performs, funds allowing. But our plan is that in the 4 years we should have made good this obligation. I refer to what has been verified by government. So what is verified is 154 billion so far.
Irungi wakati wa Buganda ne kati wa Uganda n'abantu ba Buganda n'abantu ba Uganda.
Bebale naye nga twandisuubidde nti bandisinze kaawo ne baleeta ekinene okusinga kaawo.
Obuganda buzze bubanja ebintu bingi okuva mu gavumenti, ebimu bizze bisasulwa.
Gavumenti yalibadde n'esimbu sente nezisasula mu bwesimbu bwazo ate mu bungi bwazo kuba tusuubira gavumenti ezezirina.
Buganda bwebanga ebanja sente zaayo tusuubira nti eyina okusoosowazibwa.
Tutwagala wabeewo enteekateeka zisasulwe bunnambiro. Obwakabaka bwa Buganda bunyigirizibwa.
Esente ebintu bye tubibanjiriza ebbanga ddene nnyo, emyaka gikulungudde nga tubanja ebintu bino.
We shall be able to clear the remaining stock within 3 financial years. That you will be clearing in 3 years. You have some people in the private sector who are under distress. When you engage some of them, if government was able to commit, for example, to the financial institutions, they can have some reprieve. Is that something that the government can be able to do to save our private sector? So what remains is 5.2 trillion, and out of that we have provided in this budget 1.4. That brings it to about 3.8, which we shall pay in the next 3 years, assuming we are providing 1.4. Assuming we keep 1.4 in the base, that will take us 3 years to settle all the arrears.
There cannot be order. You must hear me.
Order.
Yes, can I raise the issue?
Order. Order.
Can I raise the issue?
Order.
I am raising a procedure. You are a new MP. You need
Order.
to run.
Go ahead. Order.
You need to run. When they are raising a procedure,
Order.
doesn't hide.
If you are brought to anger from you, I'm going to bring anger to the...
Can I raise the procedure issue? It takes a second. Can I raise the issue?
Please go ahead.
That's what you should have done. Chairman of the committee, I want to draw your attention to Rule 203. Five, 2035. A meeting of the committee shall, and the word shall be presided over by the chairperson of the committee, and in his or her absence by the deputy chairperson, or in the absence of both of them by a member of the committee elected by the members present and voting, shall. So you cannot come here and convene a meeting, the chair sits here as if you are in an ordinary Mukokas meeting. The rules must be respected. So you are there illegally, except if the chair is not present. This is what the rules say.
Can I rule now?
No, you can't rule because I am raising the issue against you.
Because you came late, you didn't know. You don't
I
know
am
the reason why the
raising,
chairman
it
is
does not
there.
matter. I am raising the issue to the
chairman is not in
substantive
the
chair of the committee. He must explain how, in his absence, can the deputy chair meet.
He explained. It's because you came late. He explained.
It does not matter. Let him explain again. I am a member.
Okay.
Yes.
See that kind of arrogance.
Can you show me the minutes where it is minuted?
We are going to get tired of that kind of positions.
You see, the other day we had Kateshumba presenting. Yes.
Okay. Can you listen?
Chair.
Honorable Semuju,
Because you don't
when you
respect
raise
other colleagues.
any issue,
Chair.
when you raise an issue, you keep quiet and wait for a response.
Order.
Okay, now,
Order.
now I want to make it clear for you. Number one.
Order, Mr. Chair.
Number one, you came in late. Not only late, but very late. Before this meeting, at the start of this meeting, we had discussions. You cannot demand for minutes of a meeting now, which is ongoing. It is totally not there. After the meeting, the minutes will be read in the next meeting. So it's not, no, I'm giving a background. So as far as we are concerned here, the names of the chairperson you want to be on the chair, the chairperson is absent. But Opoloti Siage MP Kachumbala just passed by and joined the meeting. And as for joining, and we saw it wise and substantially correct for the deputy chair to continue the meeting. It does not cause any harm at all and does not need to create drama. This is a simple issue. The person chairing a meeting is a substantive deputy chair of this committee. He's not a vice chair, but a deputy chair. Thank you. He's interpreting them wrongly.
Write a minority report. Yeah, it's okay. Mr. Chairman, can I finish my point before?
Yes, please,
Chair.
Honorable Katachumba, go ahead.
Chair, I was raising the issue with the ministry